Hi guys, it's AA Silencers, but this is kind of more the Matrix Ice side of things. As you can see in front of us now, we have Alpine's demo van. Suitably low. It's on air ride. It is a very, very nice bit of kit indeed. They spent an awful lot of money on. It's also got some lovely Falcon tyres, which is right up our street, as you can imagine. Got the very latest Alpine head unit in there, done as a separate screen, fully integrated media. As we come around to the internals of the van, this is where effectively the action happens. We have an array of Alpine products, clearly professionally installed, including massive interface and an awful lot of bass. An awful lot. Obviously this is for shows. This is designed to demonstrate all the Alpine product and exactly how good it is. And if you're into your audio, you clearly already know how good it is. I mean, this thing is just, it's off the scale, to be fair. There's more in the back. Again, with more of their head units on display. As you can see, obviously we're looking at this as part of our high-end audio unit packages. If you're interested, come and see us.